Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel Daily Dose of English. I'm your host Jyoti. Before I start, I would like to request you to please help my channel grow by liking the videos and subscribing to my channel. So today I have 9 great, very useful expressions and collocations to share with you. If you're ready, let's dive right in. Number 1, we have keeping up with the Joneses. In this saying, the surname Jones alludes to any generic neighbor. So this expression refers to competitiveness between people. It means not falling behind your neighbor in terms of their material possessions, and in order to achieve this, buying whatever your neighbor has and doing what they do. For example, if your neighbor buys a new car, then to keep up with them, you also need to buy a new car. It can be an unhealthy obsession. Of course, the use of the surname Jones normally refers to neighbors, but it can also mean any acquaintance, colleague, friend, etc. As an example, we can say many people are holding down 3 jobs to keep up with the Joneses. Next is mid-afternoon slump. The afternoon slump is when you start to feel tired or groggy around mid-afternoon, usually just after lunch. It causes decreased energy and loss of focus. So as an example, we can say sleeping long and well at night can stave off an afternoon slump, but a power nap has been found to have an equal effect. High attrition rates or churn rates generally indicate that employees are turning over pretty quickly, while low attrition rates mean that people are staying with their company for a longer period of time. So high attrition rates for employees are often due to poor job satisfaction, an aging workforce, or increased competition. As an example, we can say the lack of efficacy and unfavorable safety profiles contribute the most to high attrition rates. Apologize profusely. If you offer profuse apologies or thanks, you apologize or thank someone a lot. As an example, you can say, all through breakfast, she apologized profusely, saying that she couldn't understand how such a thing could have happened. Ungodly hours. Ungodly hour is a time of the day that is unreasonably early or late. So as an example, you can say, Jenny is always calling me at an ungodly hour, usually for no reason. Stretch the truth. It means to say something that is not exactly true, to describe something as larger or greater than it really is. In other words, when you say something which is not completely honest in order to make someone or something seem better than it really is. So, as an example, one can stretch the truth to make the story more interesting. Another example would be, the camera may never lie, but sometimes it can stretch the truth to extraordinary limits. Be at a crossroads. It means to be at a stage in your life when you have to make a very important decision. It's like a point of change in your life. If you say that something is at a crossroad, you mean that it has reached a very important stage in its development where it could go one way or another. For example, you can say, after earning my degree, I am at a crossroads. I need to figure out which direction my life should take. Mental agility. Mental agility indicates the ability of an individual to think, learn, and quickly absorb new information, systems, and processes. In other words, it stands for how well our mind can adjust to new circumstances. For example, mental agility can help us respond confidently and effectively to challenges and new situations without feeling overwhelmed. The last one is detox your life. Detox has become a buzzword associated with diet and clean eating. But what does it mean to detox and what we are detoxing from? A life detox is a process of abstaining from unhealthy people and lifestyle habits that don't serve us very well. You can replace these draining habits with positive self-care protocols that can help you feel more energized. So as an example, we can say, to detox your life, you should eliminate toxic habits, people, clutter, and thought patterns. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this video useful, and if yes, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.